Hi, I'm Miss Deb, and I'm Tweet the Parakeet. And today we are reading an amazing story written by Johnny DePalma and illustrated by Kyle Brown, 52, A Tale of Loneliness. Ooh, this book is about a whale, isn't it? Yeah, it is a whale who is named 52. 52? Yeah, it's kind of an interesting name, isn't it? But it's a true story about a whale who sings a very special song. Ooh, I like special songs. Me too. Now we're going to sing one after we read the story, and then we'll draw with crayons. Let's get started. 52, A Tale of Loneliness. Ooh, beautiful ship sailing in the sea. The ocean is a beautiful thing, my friend, from shore to shore and end to end, where peace and rage and cold attend. The ocean is a beautiful thing. And deep within its bellied ground, invisible to all around, there swims a whale named 52, whose voice was sadly born askew. Oh, poor 52. Hello, friends, he would start to say. Not that you hear me anyway. Look at 52. Does he look sad? I know I'm not your average whale, though I have the body and the tail. And yes, I swim from shore to shore, but sadly still, I think there's more. Perhaps it's just that, never mind. It's not that other whales aren't kind. See all the whales swimming? They are, in fact, I know it's so. Where one will swim, the others go. They talk and sing and joke about and never fight or scream or shout. They're just like me, except one thing. They can't seem to hear me sing, or talk, or joke, or swim, or be. I'm simply here, but they cannot see. For whales find whales not just with their eyes, but also with their vocal cries. Yet ever since I've tried to call, it's like I'm not quite here at all. But have no fear, I'm doing fine. I've found some ways to pass the time. Lonely? Yes, but that's okay. I'm sure I'll have a friend someday. And maybe they'll be just like you, someone who's kind, smart, and true. That's someone who will be a friend to those who need one in the end. Still, I'm quite happy most of the time. It's not just me to which they're blind. The ocean here that we call home, there's more to see when you're alone. I wonder what kinds of things 52 is going to see. Like that! The sunlight trickles down on bubbles rising from the ground. Or here, the way the water swirled. There's so much beauty in this world. The little fish, they swim along. The whales, they sing their happy song. The dolphins play. The seaweed grows. Wow, look at it. It's so beautiful in the ocean. The shark it comes, the shark it goes. And that's all mine. I get to see the things invisible, like me. So every night I say hello to all the barnacles below, to every bubble, kelp, and shell, to every grain of sand as well. For all these things make up my home. And with them, I don't feel alone. Perhaps one day they'll see it too. Instead of just this blur of blue, the magic swirling in the sea. The whale that's calling out from me. Oh, look. Sometimes I wish I were like them, just playing games with all my friends. We'd stay together all day long. I'd find my voice and sing my song. Look, he's splashing in the water. But then, I suppose I wouldn't be the whale I am. And I like me. It's true, I'm happy and yet blue. This lonely whale named 52. Ooh, I love that story, Miss Deb. I know, it was so beautiful, and all of the lovely pictures. That was very nice, wasn't it? I think 52 feels lonely. Yeah, but you know what? Sometimes if we're alone, we don't have to feel lonely. Hey, let's sing the song. Okay, let's sing 52's song. Ooh, ooh, ooh. 52. I am alone. You might say I'm lonely, but don't be sad, because I'm happy. You read my words, you sing my song. The ocean is a beautiful thing. I'm on my own, but there's lots to see. So don't be sad, because I'm happy. You read my words, you sing my song. The ocean is a beautiful thing. The little fish We are drawing a beautiful picture today of 52. I'm going to get a purple crayon because I want my whale to be multicolored. So what we got to do, whales have really big heads. We're going to go around, ooh, almost like a circle. And then we're going to follow around for his body and a gigantic tail. Woo! And one more part of the tail there, just like that. Now he's got a big belly. Now we gotta stop and not connect it because we gotta give him a nice mouth, kind of a little smile, right? And then he can have another spot here that's actually gonna be his mouth. There we go. Now next, well, we're gonna have to give him some little fins, right? He needs one fin so that he can swim in the water. What else do whales have? They have spouts. Woo! Let's put some spouts of water coming out here. He's breathing underwater. He's gonna need some eyes. Well, we'll give him one eye on this side. Go roundy round, nice little circle, and give him a little bit of a eyeball in there. Okay, next, I'm gonna get my blue crayon. Now, I am going to make his eyes beautiful and blue. There we go. He's gonna have beautiful blue eyes to match the rest of his beautiful blue body. Go all the way around. And we're just gonna color the outline blues. Just go around the edges. There we are. And all the purple edges. Oh, he's starting to come alive. I think he looks like a pretty happy whale. Is your whale happy? We're gonna go around and make this blue water spout really dark. And we'll color that one in all blue, since it is the water squirting up. There we go. Go around his eye. Okay. There, I think I'm pretty happy with that so far. I'm gonna color all the top of his body blue. Let's shade it in. Nice and gentle. There we go. Oh, he looks so happy in the water. So happy. He's a very happy whale, isn't he? Maybe you're making a whale with a different name. Maybe his name is 49. We better get a red crayon for his mouth. Let's give him a nice little mouth in there. You can have a little bit of teeth if you want. There we go. Leave a little bit of white spot in there. And then we're going to grab that purple crayon. We're going to give him a little bit of marks on his belly. A little white there. There we go. Oh, wow, he's coming alive. Now, what else do we need? Well, 52 swims in the water, so we better make sure that we give him lots of water. Grab your blue crayon again, and we're going to gently shade where all the water is. Miss Deb loves it when the whole page is colored in. There we go. Blue all the way. And maybe we'll leave the top part so that his water spout can come right out of the water. Water isn't always blue though. Sometimes water has green. So let's get a green crayon and we're gonna mix a little bit of green into the water to make it extra special. There we go. Make sure you can see me. Oh wow. He is such a happy whale. Is your whale a boy or a girl? There we go. Oh yes. Now I'm going to color in this light spot here. And I'm going to make it a beautiful sunny day and get a yellow crayon for outside for the sky. The sun is shining through brightly. I think 52 looks quite happy. I had so much fun at singing a story today. So did I, Tweet. We did a good job of drawing the whale today, don't you think? All this practice? Hey, we get better and better every time. We sure do. But now it's time for us to go, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye! See you next time!